Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm at Marshall's. I have some last minute Christmas shopping to do, and I thought I might as well go in there and do some RA as well. So we got a big winter storm coming, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to go out tomorrow. So today is my last day. Seems like it's gonna be pretty bad, so I might as well get some batteries and candles and all that stuff. I mean, we do have all that stuff at home, but it can never be too safe. I also have a water collector, but it's outside, so it's frozen. So let's go. These are pretty good. Look at these cowboy boots. I don't know nothing about cowboy boots. Yeah, this could be good. 20 bucks. Well, Christmas is around the corner, so this won't get there on time, but what's the price? $40. $40. I sold tons of these before, but that's like Walmart prices. What's this? Yeah, it doesn't look too bad for Amazon.ca. The only thing is that Q4 is almost done, and these go sit for a while, so I'll pass on those. Alright, so can't find the listing for this, but I'm gonna buy it anyways. Totally $1. And I know this brand is pretty good, especially their discontinued stuff. I'll take these. Oh, these things are funny. $29. Yeah, this doll tanked hard. Ooh. Look at these for my wife. Believe it or not, she actually drives for UPS. So I never sold this outdoor blankets and stuff like that until I found a pillow, a camping pillow that sold for about $80 and made me a lot of money. So yeah, this weird stuff does sell. There's a Winners there. Might as well go. This would have been good, but it's a bit too expensive. Alright. I think I might take this. Why did they do this? So on Amazon.ca it's about 100 and something. Amazon.com it's like 60-70 bucks. I just don't want to deal with that, so I'm leaving these behind. Bummer. Nope, not good. This looks okay, but it's open. And the box is kind of dirty. Alright, so didn't really do a lot of Christmas shopping, but I did find tons of Crocs. I grabbed about 15, 16 of those. We'll make about $15 each, so not too bad. And I also did find these pretty good charger adapters. The buy cost was $3, and I think they go for about 35, 37 US. I don't know if I recorded it. Alright, so we got 6 of those, so that was actually pretty good. Now ranking was decent. So with things like this, I don't mind buying them and holding on to them for a while. The margins are just too good to just leave there. So I don't care if it sits there for a few weeks. It will sell eventually, so. Alright guys, so I spent around $700, went to Marshall's. That was alright. Then I went to Winners. Actually, Winners was a little bit better. Is there Winners in the US? To me, it seems like they're the same thing. There's nothing really different about them, so I don't know if you guys know what's up with Marshalls and Winners and why everything looks the same and its price the same and the stickers are the same. Let me know. Leave a comment below. Alright guys, so I think that's it for this video, and I don't know if you got anything from it. It was just me going out shopping today. Nothing major. And I don't really know how much I made. If you enjoyed the video, got anything out of it, subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I might post something on the 25th. And if I don't, don't get mad at me, and if I do, cool. And I think that's it for now, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.